Okay, this is my cat. I just got it a little while ago, but he's like really playful and he just woke up, so he's gonna be tired. He has a screen thing on it. And yeah. So people have been wondering about my new cat. Ow. Bitch. Close. But I'm watching South Park. And I got this Xbox like a while ago. You can't see it because it's a new slime. But it's really like my house is kind of boring by myself. So bye, YouTube.